In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach file in Outlook when replying. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so your reply goes out with the right document attached, without any guesswork. Start by opening the email you want to respond to and click Reply. This opens a response addressed to the original sender. If you're mindful about who sees the attachment, keep in mind that Reply sends it back to just the sender, while Reply All shares it with everyone on the thread. For this walkthrough, we're sticking with Reply. Once the Reply window opens, look toward the top of the message for the ribbon. Click the Insert tab, or simply click the paperclip icon if you see it on your toolbar. Depending on your version of Outlook, the paperclip might be next to the Send button or on a simplified ribbon. The Insert tab always gets you to the same place, so either route works. Choose Attach File, then select Browse this computer. This tells Outlook you want to pull a file that's stored locally on your device. You might notice other choices, like recent files or cloud locations, but we'll keep it straightforward and stick with browsing your computer. A file picker window opens. Navigate to the folder where your document lives, click the file you want, and then click Open. If you need to attach more than one file, you can select multiple by holding Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking. After you click Open, you'll see the attachment appear below the subject line or in the message header area, usually with a file name and size indicator. That's your visual confirmation that it's attached to the reply. A quick tip on choosing files: double-check the file type and size before attaching. Many organizations have limits on attachment sizes, and certain file types might be blocked. If you notice a very large file, consider whether a smaller version is available, or make sure the recipient can handle the size. Also, ensure the file name is clear and professional so the recipient knows what they're opening. From here, you can type your message as usual, confident that your file is included with your reply. If you need to swap out the attachment, remove it by selecting it and then attach the correct one using the same steps you just followed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.